What if you paid for insurance all this time only to find out that it was worthless when you had to file a claim? You'd probably be pretty upset, wouldn't you? You'd probably be knocking on somebody's door for a good explanation, wouldn't you? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about in this video, of exactly what we just saw happen to our customer in Texas. So let's get started. But before we do, I need you to do me a favor. So we can make sure that your property covered, I need you to share, subscribe, and like the YouTube channel below. Hi, I'm Chris with the Flood Insurance Guru. More than a decade ago, I bought a house in a flood zone. I was given a lot of wrong information, probably like you've been given online. And guess what? I almost lost my house. That's why I've been helping homeowners like yourself in Texas and other areas of the country for more than a decade now. Today we're talking about, what happens if your insurance policy is worthless? How do you stop your insurance policy from being worthless? You see, in helping hundreds of people in Texas, California, other parts of the country, here's something we've discovered. And that is about 60% of the time policies are being written wrong. So what exactly does this mean? Well, this means that you don't have the proper replacement costs on your property. It means if your house is completely destroyed, you're not going to have enough money to rebuild it. Well, how do you stop this from happening? Well, it's really easy. What you need to do is you need to make sure that your property is fully insured. And what we mean by this, when we say fully insured, is within 80% of the full replacement cost. This means if your house was completely flattened, what would it take it to rebuild? On average, across the country, what we see is $100 to $150 a square foot. Guess what? And this policy in California, the way it was written, was about $70 a square foot. In fact, in this video, you can actually see an image of the square footage and the replacement costs, and you can clearly see that this policy is written wrong. So what happens in this situation? Well, in this situation, many times, what's going to happen is the policy is going to default to an actual cash value. This means if you only had $150,000 in coverage on there, you may only actually get about $75,000 to $80,000 because of depreciation once everything happens. This means you were really trying to satisfy your mortgage for $150,000. Now you might be on the hook for $75,000 in coverage, having to take out an SBA disaster loan on a house you don't even live in anymore. But you were just trying to meet the bank's requirements, just like so many people like yourself. This is why it's so important to work with a flood insurance agent that understands the replacement cost of your property. Listen to me, the true replacement cost. You need to look at things like square footage. You need to look at, countertop, all these different things. As you go through and work with your flood insurance agent, they should be providing you with some kind of replacement cost estimator of how that's being determined, so come claims time, you're protected. You don't want to happen what happened in this homeowner in Texas. When they discovered this, when they went to refinance their house, that they had the wrong policy they've been paying for almost a decade now. Scary, isn't it? But it's something we see every day. So here's the thing. In the description of this video, you can download our guide on replacement costs versus actual cash value and what you need to know as a homeowner. Then, maybe you're ready to take the next steps to get a quote. Well, guess what? It's super simple. It's 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form on our website. Step 2, meet with myself, one of our flood risk advisors. And step 3, finalize the right policy for you. I'm Chris with the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for watching today's video on that one flood insurance mistake that could cost you everything. Remember, share, subscribe, and like the channel below. And remember, everybody's in a flood zone. It's just a matter of how fast water gets to you. Thank you.